And we've got a question here. John wants to know, he says his son lives in Birmingham and he's got a termite bond, but he was just told that it does not cover a particular kind of termite, Formosan termites. Wants to know, is that allowed? Can pest control companies say, oh yeah, we'll cover all the other kinds of termites out there, but not Formosan termites? And if people don't realize, Formosan termites are the ones that they can eat your whole house up very, very quickly. They very efficient insects. Tom, what would you say to John here?
Well, I would say this: there is no good reason for a termite company to exclude Formosan termites, because the way you do a treatment and the chemical that you use is exactly the same that you use for regular subterranean termites. So there's no good reason for a termite company to do that. It is lawful for them to put a limitation of the type of termite damage that they cover, because some termites do damage differently, like drywood termites, but there's not a good reason to put that in there. What I would say to John is that, you know, our experience is that whether it's Formosan or regular subterranean termites, the reason you have a termite infestation in the first place is because the company did not do the proper treatment. And if we can establish they never provided the termite prevention service, the company is not usually going to be able to rely upon anything in their contract, including excluding Formosan termites, mental anguish damages, punitive damages. You're going to be able to recover the entire array of damages that a victim of fraud or deceit can always recover, because failure to provide that regulated service appropriately is going to void their contract and make it unenforceable by the company.
Okay, right, because that was the other part of their question. I guess there is a claim involved here, and they're saying that they won't pay the claim because they don't cover Formosan termites. You're saying that's beside the point, because once you dig a little bit deeper, you're probably going to discover that they just didn't perform the services as spelled out in the contract, making the contract void.
Exactly.